Sciences, and today we are going to find how can we find out the difference between two images. For example, for the sake of example, we have two images that looks identical, right? Let me open it up. So this is image 1, here you can see that, and this is image 2, here you can see that. So there is not much of a difference in these two images, right? But there are very tiny small differences. For example, look at here at the cap. There is I don't know what is this small red thing, right? This is not available in the other picture, right? Another thing, look at the clock, the time is different, and here the time is different. Also look at these bananas. Here are 2 bananas, and in this picture there are 3 bananas. So there is very small difference, and I mean you can scale this application to very complex projects as well. So we are going to demonstrate this thing by using just 4 lines of code on this small example, and then you can use it wherever you want. So I'll from PIL, which is a computer vision library available in Python, I'm going to import image. From PIL I need to import image so that I can read images, and the other thing I need is image chops. Yeah, right, let me import it. Right, the next thing is we need to read the images, right? So I'll say image 1 and image 2, they are equal to image dot open, and here I'll write the name of image, which is 1.jpg, right? And then the next image, I'll read the next image. Let me just copy and paste it over here. So I'll say 2.png, and rest of the thing is same. Right, so since these are the name of my images, 1.jpg and jpg, and the other one is 2.jpg, right? So I have images, and here I'll say get me the difference, and simply by just writing 1 line of code, I'll say image chops dot difference. By the way, this image chop is a computer vision library, and you can play around with images. You can manipulate images in a lot of ways. For example, let's pause it over here. For example, you can do something like image chops, yeah, dot let's say invert dot invert. So you can invert the image as well. So let me first read out the images, and then here I'll pass img1, and here you can see that it has inverted the image, right? So you can play around with image chops library. Okay, so coming back to the image chop differences, so difference will pass 2 images. Obviously we'll try to find out the difference between 2 images, right? So image 1 and image 2, and here we'll say if diff, which is difference, dot get bounding box, bounding box. If there is some bounding box, which means if there is some difference, then diff dot show, then show those differences. Otherwise, if there is no difference, I mean we are done over here, right? So let me just execute it, and let me see if there is any here you can see that. I mean this is that thing that was popping on the head of that man. This is the time difference, right? This is the banana difference that you can see over here. I mean these are all the differences that were there in these images. There is another difference. Look at here, these 2, I don't know what do you want to call it, dolls or whatever, and here there is a bowl, right? So if we go to the difference image, here you can see that it has also mentioned it over here, right? So this is how you can find the difference between 2 images. And one more thing, just to check it out if it really works fine or not, let me close it, and let me so let's find difference between 2 same images, right? It should not show any box over here. So let me run it, and here you can see that it does not show any box over here. So you can say else. If there is no difference, then just print no difference at all, right? And something like that. Great, looks fine. And if I run it, it says no difference at all, because we are finding the difference between two same images. If we try to find the difference between 2 different images, then it will get us the difference over here. right? So this is a small application how you can find the difference between two images. You can scale it up to according to your requirement, and you can further explore this image job library as well. It has further implementations as well. So check out the links in description. We have a lot of courses available on our website. Link is in the description. You can visit our AI Sciences website, where you can find a lot of courses, books, blogs, etc. So do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.